There you go, Jack.
Oh no!
Wow, that's got to be the best Christmas present ever. Yeah, of course.
It's a bit hard, Dad.
Jim.
Oh no, Jim. Stupid boy.
That's not good.
Jim. What have you done?
What was that?
Yes, so close to the boat.
It's not long enough.
Jack managed to get it all the way around the pond. Dad takes over and Dad puts it on the ice. We're attracting quite a crowd here.
It's quite good.
Cars are going to start stopping soon, Jim. If you're going to get down to your underwear, I think you should do it now.
Being very,
How high's the water, Mama? 2 feet high and right. How high is the water, Papa? She said it's 2 feet high and rise. We can make it to the road in a homemade boat. That's the only thing we got left for the float. It's already over all the weed and oats. 2 feet high and rising. How high is the water, Mama? 3 feet high and rising. How high is the water, Papa? She said it's 3 feet high and rising. Well, the hives are gone, I lost my bees. Chickens are sleeping in the willow trees. Cows in water up past their knees. 3 feet high and rising. How high is the water, Mama? 4 feet high and rising. How high is the water, Papa? She said it's 4 feet high and rising. Hey, come look through the window pane. The bus is coming, gonna take us to the train. Looks like we'll be blessed with a little more rain. 4 feet high and rising. How high is the water, Mama? 5 feet high and rising. How high is the water, Papa? She said it's 5 feet high and rising. Well, the rails are washed out north of town. We gotta head for higher ground. We can't come back till the water goes down. 5 feet high and rising. Well, it's 5 feet high.